Hello everyone, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will know how to create a Happy New Year animated background by CSS and JavaScript. We will use particles.js as a helper library. So we will create these shapes and we will get the background animated. I will animate this background as we will see with CSS. The code of this lesson and the image will be linked in the description of this video. So let's go to the code and see what we will need. First of all, I have here an image. You could get it or get any image you want, and then we will need a library which is called particles.js. You could download this from Google. Just search particles.js download and you will get it. And we have discussed and explained how to download it in another lesson. So I will copy this particles file, okay, and then I will need another file which is in JS app.js, this file too. Okay, so then let's go to the code and see what we have over there. First of all, I will create a new HTML file. Let's see HTML and say New Year. Okay, New Year. Okay, so then here I will link this file script with the file over there, which is the JavaScript files. I will see here src and let's say the particles. Let's duplicate it, sorry, and here I will link the other file which is app.js. Great. Here I will create two DOM elements. I will create section. I will give it an ID. I will say section hero, for example, and close it. Inside it I will create a div or any element you need it, sorry, and I will give it an ID. I will say New Year ID. New Year ID. Let's keep it camel cases. Also this one. Great. So New Year ID. Okay, now I will go to the styles. I will create some styles over here. I will say style. And here I will say the ID of New Year ID, and here I will see what we need the background image to be the image that we have it. I will see the URL is 1.png, which is the URL of our image. The overflow would be hidden, and also what we will need. Okay, then the other ID, which would be the what we call it, section hero. The section here I will give it, for example, the background color, and let's say 0f and hash means hexadecimal 2 this is extra. Okay, so now we will, if we refresh the page, there is nothing yet. We should change this ID. I will copy this ID and I will paste it inside the app over here. I'll see double click and I'll go to the tab and change this element with the ID over here. Let's save it and double click this and see what we have. Amazing. Now the background is created and the particles.js library is linked. So let's change some elements over there. Let's say the size, the length. Yes, let's say false. We don't need any link. The links over here, we need to change them. Also the mouse hover over here, we need it to be false. Okay, now we need to increase the size. For example, let's see size over here. Let's see, it would be, for example, 17. Save. Great. Then we needed to change the size of the shapes and the color. Let's go to the color and change its color. To change it, we will add an array. Okay, and inside it I will write some colors. Okay, let's duplicate this color. I'll duplicate it many times, and then I will change this color from here. I will see, let's see red. The other, let's say green, and let's see, the other would be blue, yellow, the second, or that color. Also we need what? We need, which one? Let's choose this one. Okay, save. Let's refresh and see what we have. Okay, great, they're amazing. So let's go to the shapes and create our shapes that we need them. I will create circle and star and polygon, and let's say what? Triangle. Let's save, refresh. Okay, they are over here. Amazing. Okay, let's increase the number of elements and the speed and the direction. Let's go to the direction over here, move the direction, let's say to top, means they will go up to the top. Amazing. Let's increase the speed of that movement. Let's go to the speed over here, let's see 16, save it. Okay, amazing. Let's increase the number of elements over here, let's see 100, save. Okay, I think now they are amazing, or the amount is a lot. I will say only 90. Okay, refresh. Great. Now let's animate the background. Let's go to the style over here and let's animate it. Let's see here, animate, animation, and I will call it animate, for example, for example 10 seconds, and I will need it to be linear, and I need it to be infinite. Okay, let's create a keyframes over here. Let's see, add keyframe, and over this keyframes I will create, for example, from 0%. I need it to go, for example, transform, translate y. Okay, and here I will write some value, 30 pixel. Okay, now let's duplicate these elements. Let's see, okay, duplicating. Okay, so over here I will create 0%. Let's see here, 25, and it will be positive. Here let's say it would be 50, and it would be negative, and here it would be 100%, and it would be positive. Save it. Let's refresh and see what we have. Okay, amazing. Now the background is animated, and also the shape is going up to the top. Let's refresh again and see how is it. It's amazing. Great. So okay, now what we will need is, I think the work is, we have done with that animation. So let's increase the speed. Okay, the number of shapes over there is great. The color, okay, the color is amazing. The shapes is amazing. Okay, the image opacity, how is the opacity? It's amazing. So you could manipulate these values over here. You could, increase the size, the value, the number of elements over here, over there, and whatever you want. So thanks for listening and watching. This was the lesson, and see you in the next. Bye for now.